दूसरे आपसे बेहतर कर रहे हैं, ये नहीं देखना चाहिए। हर दिन अपने ही रिकॉर्ड को तोड़िए, क्योंकि सफलता की लड़ाई आपकी खुद से है। These are the words of none other than our greatest freedom fighter, one of the greatest freedom fighter, Chandrasekhar Azad. You must have seen in the thumbnail, and he needs no introduction. Today is a very special day. Today, India is celebrating its 75th Independence Day. A very happy independence to all my dear friends who are watching this, and welcome to my channel. So, today, on this special occasion, I am drawing Chandrasekhar Azad's portrait. So, I have begun with drawing the eyes. For me, when the eyes becomes good, the whole portrait means the other parts becomes easier. While drawing eyes, you must see the distance between the two eyes. It is generally a one eye difference between the two eyes. Draw it slowly because everybody can make mistakes. When you draw slowly, you get close to resemblance of the portrait. Doesn't matter what your style is, the main thing is resemblance, and it comes by practicing. If you are beginner, then you must slowly do it, and whenever you think something is not matching, don't hesitate to erase and remake it. You can pause at certain times to see whether the portrait is resembling or not to the picture you have taken as reference. You must always keep on seeing the reference picture and the drawing you are making. When you keep on observing both the reference picture and the drawing, then you will make or you will get perfect strokes or close to perfection, if not perfect. You can use various pencils to draw this. In shops, pencil comes of different darkness. The paper I'm using is a normal chart paper which you get at any local shops if you stay in a city. Actually, paper doesn't matter a lot. You can draw on any paper, you must have talent. That's the main thing. You can draw portraits anywhere. You must have seen various portraits on different mediums, on sand, on walls. You can make on your drawing copy, you can make using leaf. It's just a creativity. Once you get the basic practice, first practice, I suggest for a beginner that if you want to do portrait, first you choose any one medium and practice portrait there. When you get good at one medium, the other mediums becomes very easy. When you can draw portrait at one place, you can use this creativity using anything at any place. Just in the beginning, once you need some practice. Whenever I practice, every time I see something has improved. You always keep on learning. I think the watch has become little bit closer, so I've erased it and remade it. Chandrasekhar Azad has a little bit stylish personality. He holds and keeps rolling his mustache in pride. His eyes are very strong and powerful. His face has a powerful look, matching with what he has done for the nation. In today's portrait, I am not coloring. Usually in my videos you see watercolor. Today I am doing sketch. I think this is my first sketch video and also the first proper portrait sketches. Before I have made Krishna's painting, but in this portrait I need resemblance also. Krishna I could have made any face, but here I need some resemblance. So I'm doing it slowly. Near the neck I'm doing darker shades because shadow comes here. If you want to know where to make shades, you just take any random angle from where the sunlight is coming, assume, and wherever you think that the part of the face where sunlight will not reach, you can shade there a little, and wherever sunlight is directly falling, you can keep that white or the lighter color shades if you are using any color. You can create portraits using your style. The main things are eyes, nose and mouth. Make it slowly. Keep on comparing the distance between even the tiniest details. When you keep on comparing and making, then you will see that you have become close to resemblance. While making or while doing sketch on the hair part, I am leaving some places white so that it looks like the hair is shining at various places. After the hair is done, I would like to make some pattern or shades in the background. It will energize the portrait. Also little bit on his bodies, little shades. We are moving near the concluding part. There will be little shades on watch also because I have not done the time, so now it is done. Some shades on its belt. So our superhero freedom fighter is almost done. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos. Click on the bell icon to get notifications whenever we upload a video. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। थैंक यू सो मच।